I have just found the best free video generator, which is better than Kling and Minimax. Don't get me wrong, I like Kling and Minimax, but their free plan takes too long. Sometimes you have to wait for hours, sometimes even days, and in the end you might not get what you wanted. This tool that I'm about to show you takes at least 5 minutes. Also, I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks for free. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. First, when you go to their website, you will need to sign in. As you can see here, you can create hugging videos, kissing videos, and even dancing. We're going to try some of them today. Click Generate Videos for free. Vidiful offers 2 ways to create videos. Either you can turn an image into video or text into video. We're going to start with text to video. I'm going to try a simple prompt, like a young woman sitting on a bench at the park scrolling on her phone. And click Generate and give it about a few minutes, the video will be ready. And it's ready. As you can see, the video looks so good there is no morphing or distortion. I used a similar prompt on Minimax, and the results were awful. Now let's try to take an image and bring it to life. I'm just going to take a picture of a young couple and try to make them kiss. Type a simple prompt and click Generate. Looks like they didn't get it right. The couple are not kissing. Maybe we needed to add more to our prompts, but don't worry, we will make them kiss next time. But overall, the video looks so beautiful and romantic. Now I am going to paste a prompt I generated at ChatGPT and click Generate, and let's wait for the results. And wow, look at this masterpiece. To download the videos, just click the 3 dots and download. I tried the same prompt on Minimax and it produced this garbage. Now, as you can see, the videos got watermarks. I'm going to show you how to remove them for free. Go to Google and search for vMake. After logging in, you will see this interface. Here, you don't need to create an account. Just click here and upload your video. I'm going to select this one. Just wait a little bit to load and let the AI do its magic. And just after a few seconds, the video is ready. As you can see, the video got no watermarks and it maintained the quality. To download, just click the 3 dots and download. I will say, go and check out yourself. The name of this tool is Vidiful, and if you ran out of credits, just use temp mail or incognito mode and VPN. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments.